Hello, creative friends. If you have used glass bottles like these, don't throw them away just yet. Alakawai, because with a little touch of creativity and the addition of bamboo twigs, we can turn them into beautiful and aesthetic flower vases. So in this video, I will share a step-by-step guide on how to make a flower vase from used glass bottles with a touch of bamboo twigs. Make sure to watch until the end. First, we attach double-sided tape to the bottle so that the bamboo sticks easily. Now we attach the bamboo branches one by one. Continue doing this until finished. For now, tie it with rubber bands so that it sticks better. Use this magic glue for strong adhesion and long-lasting durability. And finally, tie it with hemp rope or something similar. In addition to adding beauty and aesthetics, it also functions as a fastener. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it useful. Please check out our other craft videos.